You ever notice a musty smell in the building and think, what's going on here? Mold could be the culprit, and it's not something to ignore. Mold isn't exactly a fun topic, but it's a big deal. It can spread fast, like in 48 hours. And before you know it, you're dealing with damage, downtime, and even health issues for your team. Let's talk through 3 key steps: how to spot mold, how to handle it safely, and how to make sure it doesn't come back. This is stuff every facility manager should have in their back pocket. The first step, how to find mold, signs to look for. You know what's tricky about mold? It can hide. But if you know what to look for, you can catch it early. One of the first things to look for is visual signs. Look for weird spots or stains on walls, ceilings, or floors, like green, black, or white patches. That's a peeling paint or warped materials, especially in damp areas like restrooms or kitchens, are also signs. Another thing to look for is smell. Mold has an earthy, damp odor. If something smells off, investigate immediately. Yet another thing to consider, moisture hotspots. Check common areas with leaks, high humidity, or poor ventilation. Mold thrives in moisture, so any damp spots are worth a closer look. Here's a pro tip. Use a moisture meter to check for hidden dampness in walls or floors. It's a simple tool that can save you a lot of trouble. Okay, so you found mold. Now what? This is where careful handling is key. One of the first things to consider is containing the area. Let's seal off the affected area with plastic sheeting to prevent spores from spreading during cleaning. Another aspect to consider, using proper equipment. Always wear gloves, goggles, and an N95 mask. Avoid using regular cleaning cloths, as they can spread spores further. Another thing to consider is cleaning solutions. For small mold patches, less than 10 square feet, use a bleach and water mixture. 1 cup of bleach per gallon of water. For larger issues, hire professionals to ensure safe removal. Here's a bonus tip. Bag up all those cleaning materials and contaminated items in sealed bags. Proper disposal prevents spores from returning. Another step, let's talk about how to protect against mold returning. Prevention is the part that saves you time, money, and headaches down the road. First, control the humidity levels. Keep indoor humidity below 50%. Dehumidifiers and big ceiling fans are excellent tools to keep the air moving and prevent moisture buildup. Another thing to consider is leaks. Fix them promptly. Address plumbing, roof, and window leaks as soon as you notice them. Leaving them unchecked is an open invitation for mold. Let's consider ventilation. We want to improve that. Bathrooms, kitchens, storage rooms, they need solid ventilation. Fans, vents, or whatever fits your space can make a big difference. Finally, routine maintenance. Regularly inspect your facility for moisture and mold-prone spots. Catching issues early is always cheaper than dealing with a full-blown problem. Here's another tip. Apply mold-resistant coatings to walls and ceilings in high-risk areas. They're a great long-term solution for prevention. Find it, deal with it, and protect against it. Staying proactive keeps your building safe and protects your team and your bottom line. Mold doesn't have to be a disaster if you're prepared. Got questions? Let's chat. Hit the link in our bio, send me an email, or visit bigfanman.com. We're here to help.